At Zest, we've been sourcing quality timber products for generations. Our products are manufactured from the finest, slow-grown, FSC-certified softwood. Sourced from responsibly managed forests, so everything we design and produce meets the highest standards of sustainability. Slow-grown softwood timber is a particularly dense material which is due to the very cold growing conditions in Eastern Europe. The trees are felled when up to 100 years old. Our manufacturing partners ensure that all the best parts of the tree are used with nothing wasted, and the timber is checked after sawing for quality. The natural defects such as splits or loose knots are removed and plugged, and this does not compromise the strength of the product.
Wood checking is a natural and unavoidable part of the seasoning process, which happens when this natural material is exposed to the prevailing weather and the surface of the timber dries quicker than the centre. This does not, however, impact on the structure of your Zest timber garden product. Normal splits and checking are unique characteristics of timber.